So this is the Wiki project, and the first requirement was about visiting entry page by the URL. So if I type in wiki slash the entry name, I will be visiting that entry name. But if I type in invalid entry name, I will get an error that page was not found. Okay, so now moving to the next requirement. Next requirement was about indexing all of the entries. As you can see, all of the entries are indexed, and if I visit like get, I will be visiting get entry page and I can see the contents of it. Now moving towards the next requirement. Next requirement was about searching entry page. So if I type in HTML or HTM, as I can see, HTML matches this entry page like HTML. So if I click on HTML, I can visit that entry page and I can see the contents of it. But if I type in invalid query, and if I search it, I will get that no search results found for that. Okay, so now moving towards the next requirement. Next requirement is creating new page. So as you can see, there are two boxes for title and content, and for if I leave any of this field empty, I will get an error that you can't leave any empty field empty. And also if I type in like Python, which already exists, if I can type anything like whatever and I submit, it will tell me that Python already exists. Okay, so if I type in like a new web page like sports, and I will use Markdown language here for the heading, and for the list I will use football and cricket. If I submit, I will be redirected to the new page I created. Okay, so the next requirement is editing the particular entry. So if I click on edit here, as I can see, all of the contents are preloaded, and if I type in here like another sports like baseball, but somehow if any user changes the title to like already existing title other than the you are editing like Python, then I will get an error that you can only edit this current entry. Okay, so if I type in again baseball and I will click on edit page, I will be redirected to the edited uh, page that I edited. Okay, so the next requirement was about uh, random pages. So if I click on this random page link, I will be redirected to the random pages. Okay, and as you can see, all of the contents are converted from Markdown to HTML. So that was all.